Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now by plugging a data-capable USB cable between your Android and Mac. You must enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the Mac can negotiate network access. This avoids permission blocks. On the phone, swipe down and select the USB mode. Choose File Transfer or USB Tethering depending on the handset so the interface appears. Keep the phone unlocked while Mac OS detects the device. This step lets you move immediately into the network setup without delays. Once the phone exposes the Tether interface, head to Mac OS System Settings and open Network to see the new service. If you don't see it, inspect System Information under USB to confirm the phone is recognized. This verifies whether the issue is driver or permission related. Create a new network service or drag the tethered adapter above Wi-Fi to prioritize it. After assigning a DHCP or manual IP if needed, test connectivity. Make sure the Mac uses the phone's cellular link for browsing. Finish by confirming internet access. Open a browser and load a web page, then ping 8 to rule out DNS issues. If the Mac cannot access the phone, revoke USB debugging authorizations on Android and reconnect to prompt a fresh trust dialog. This often resolves handshake problems. If problems persist, swap the cable or try another USB port and verify the phone's USB mode is still set to tethering. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a second computer to isolate whether the phone or Mac is the source of the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.